Signs of a bad starter. Not too often do you get symptoms that make you think your starter's going bad. A lot of times we'll assume it's our battery because the symptoms can be similar. One of the signs when you go to crank, if you have sometimes an extended crank, that can be a sign. One of the other ones that I love is when you go to turn your key and you hear this and it's your starter trying to engage, but it's not grabbing into anything to turn the engine. You go to crank and you get nothing, or you hear like a, that means that the piston is shooting out of your starter. It's trying to engage. Some of the things that can cause that, age and mileage, it's gonna wear out. It's a mechanical part. You use it less frequently because it's not running started, only when you're trying to start. I've seen oil contamination from like a leaky valve cover destroy starter because it's internal heat. Sometimes you might not have enough battery power for it to actually turn. So if you're unsure if you're having any starting issues, please stop by a Gills Point S near you and we'll help you get started the right way.